With your cord folded in half, take it over your hoop around the back and take the other ends and pull it through. That is the lark's head knot. I'm using a clothing rack to do this and attaching a string to each side to fasten the hoop in place. This will make it easier to attach the cords. With a string, I'm marking 50 centimeters down from the hoop. Using the string as a marker to keep it lined up with the top of your ring, take the cord around the back and over. Take it to the other side, go around the back, leaving an opening here. Bring it over and then down through that opening. Adjust the cord to line up that marking, and then you're gonna make sure you keep that cord out of there and pull it snug. This other cord, I'm just going to tie it loosely around for now, and we'll come back to it. Attach another cord with the lark's head knot. And attach another string at 50 centimeters. So we're going to attach this cord next, and we're attaching 3 in total, and we want them evenly distributed on the ring, so approximately where my fingers are holding the ring now. So I'll take this cord, line up your string with the top of the ring, and do the same knot around the back and over. Bring it to the other side, have your opening, and then around the back, over and through that opening, keeping the string lined up with the top, and pull that snug. Oops. And you want to make sure you pull the strings out. They'll be able to come out even if they're tucked in, so don't worry too much. Tuck the other cord away. Attach one more cord with the lark's head knot. Do the same thing with the third one. You can now undo the cords that are holding the hoop in place. Remove the pink markers. Tie off the second cords in the same way. I'm going to test out my pot. In each of these spaces, attach 3 cords with the lark's head knot. With the pot in place, we're going to gather all the cords together at the bottom. So it'll look something like this. With a 1 meter length of cord, gather all the cords together. Hold the end of the cord up, have a loop, and then wrap the cord around itself. And keep wrapping. This is called the gathering knot. Take the end, put it through the loop from front to back. Holding that cord, pull the top. It might be easier now to remove your pot and just pull, And the loop is going to hide underneath these gathers. You might need to use your fingers to help that get hidden. And once that's done, trim those two cords.